$100,000 a year, no college degree, no student debt, no cubicle. And almost nobody knows this job exists. Right now, in 2026, there are 7 trade careers hiding in plain sight. Jobs where companies are desperate to hire. Competition is almost zero, and the pay is insane. $80,000, $100,000, some even $200,000 a year. While everyone else fights over office jobs, these trades are wide open. By the end of this video, you'll see opportunities your friends don't even know exist. Opportunities that could change everything. Let's go. Here's why this matters right now. Boomers are retiring in massive numbers. Thousands of high-paying jobs are opening up, and there's nobody to fill them. Most of these jobs require only a high school diploma plus training. You could be earning real money in 12 months, while your friends are drowning in student loans. If you're tired of dead-end jobs, stick around, because what you're about to see might be exactly what you need. But here's the crazy part. The first trade on this list pays more than most lawyers, and you've probably never even heard of it. Trade number 1, elevator and escalator installers and repairers. Median salary, $97,000 to $130,000 a year. 6 figures. Every office building, apartment complex, hospital, shopping mall has elevators. When they break, people are literally trapped. Companies pay top dollar to keep them running. What you need? A 4 to 5 year apprenticeship. You get paid while you learn. Mechanical and electrical skills. Comfort with heights and tight spaces. Demand is strong. Competition is low. Most people don't even know this exists. Here's what shocked me most. People in this career say it's one of the most stable jobs they've ever had, because elevators aren't going anywhere, and neither is the need for people who can fix them. But trade number 2 pays just as much, and almost nobody wants to do it, which is exactly why it pays so well. Trade number 2, power line and utility technicians. Base salary, $80,000 to $120,000. Here's where it gets wild. Storm season can double your income in just a few months. Some linemen make $200,000 in a year because they're willing to climb poles in hurricanes. Why does it pay this much? It's dangerous, high voltage, terrible weather, real risk. The workforce is aging fast. Utilities are throwing money at anyone willing to learn. What you need? A 3 to 4 year apprenticeship. Electrical knowledge, you'll learn most of it on the job. Ability to climb, safety certifications. This is where risk meets reward. And here's the thing nobody tells you. Some of these guys work 6 months hard, then take 6 months off, because they made enough during storm season to live the rest of the year. The next trade doesn't require climbing, and it can actually pay even more if you know what you're doing. Trade number 3, industrial machinery mechanics. When a factory machine stops, companies lose thousands of dollars per hour, so they pay specialists serious money to fix things fast. Starting salaries, $75,000 to $95,000. Top specialists, over $130,000. You're working on massive industrial equipment, hydraulics, pneumatics, robotics, PLCs. This isn't changing oil. This is keeping entire production lines alive. What you need? 2-year technical degree, way faster than a bachelor's. Specialized certifications. Problem-solving skills under pressure. Here's what makes this trade different. You're not just fixing machines. You're becoming the person factories cannot afford to lose. And when you're that valuable, you write your own paycheck. Trade number 4 is tied to the fastest growing industry in America. It's about to create tens of thousands of jobs. Trade number 4, wind turbine technicians. And this one could genuinely change your life. Starting salary, $65,000 to $90,000. Experienced techs, $100,000 plus. Renewable energy is exploding. Wind turbines are going up everywhere. This isn't a 5-year opportunity. This is 20 to 30 years of guaranteed work. What you need? 12 to 18 months training. Some programs are even shorter. Mechanical and electrical skills. Comfort at 300 feet in the air. You could start training today and be working at heights making $70,000 within a year. Compare that to 4 years of college and $50,000 in debt. All trades involve physical work, but if you want to stay in trades while moving away from hard labor, trade number 5 is perfect. Trade number 5, construction project managers who started in the trades. Here's how it works. Start as an electrician, plumber, carpenter. Learn the trade inside and out. After a few years, move into managing projects. Salaries $80,000 to $110,000 or more. You oversee crews, manage budgets, coordinate timelines. Getting paid more to use your brain instead of your back. What you need: several years in a trade, leadership skills, certifications like OSHA or PMP. The best project managers aren't business school grads. They're the ones who actually did the work, because they know what's realistic, what's BS, and what actually gets done. Trade number 6, commercial and industrial plumbing. Not residential, we're talking factories, hospitals, large commercial buildings. Systems 10 times more complex than anything in a house. Salaries $70,000 to $95,000 plus, with specialization even higher. Why does it pay so much more? When a system fails in a hospital or factory, it's a crisis. Specialized plumbers who understand these systems are rare. What you need: apprenticeship, same as residential, certification, experience on large-scale systems. Start basic, then specialize. Once you're the go-to person for industrial work, you're in demand. You can name your price. And the training path is almost identical to residential plumbing, but the payout is life-changing. Trade number 7, commercial diving and specialized underwater work. Salaries $80,000 to $200,000. Yes, $200,000. You're inspecting underwater infrastructure, repairing pipelines, working on oil rigs, dams, bridges, often in zero visibility, confined spaces under extreme pressure. Why does it pay so much? Very few people can do it. The consequences of failure are severe, and the work is genuinely dangerous. What you need: 7 to 12 month specialized dive school, certifications in commercial diving, underwater welding, or inspection, physical fitness, mental toughness. This isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle change. Work offshore for weeks, come home with paychecks most people don't see in 6 months. Most people will never even consider this, which means demand is insane. For the few who do, the financial freedom is real. 3 reasons to jump in now. Boomers retiring in waves. Thousands of jobs opening. Companies desperate. Infrastructure boom. Renewable energy exploding. Government pouring billions into roads, bridges, power grids. No debt required. High school plus training. Learn while earning. No 4-year classroom. How to start? Step 1. Research local apprenticeships, trade schools, or certifications. Step 2. Pick a trade that matches your strengths. Don't just chase money. Step 3. Get licensed and certified. Step 4. Treat your skills as a growth path. Specialize, advance, or start your own business. Step 5. Keep learning. Automation, renewable energy, specialized machinery. Quick recap: 7 hidden trades. Elevator techs, $97,000 to $130,000. Powerline techs, $80,000 to $120,000 base. Industrial machinery mechanics, $75,000 to $130,000 plus. Wind turbine techs, $65,000 to $100,000 plus. Project managers from trades, $80,000 to $110,000 plus. Commercial plumbers, $70,000 to $95,000 plus. Commercial divers, $80,000 to $200,000. All high demand, all high pay, all real growth. Your skills are your gateway. Now it's time to build. Drop a like, hit subscribe, comment below which trade shocked you the most. Which one would you actually do? You've got this. Let's build something real.